In this video, I'll show you how you can create viral children's story videos within 10 minutes using only free AI tools. And I'll also show you the final result, so no need to worry about that. You probably know that kids' story videos go super viral and rack up millions of views, leading to significant earnings. Today, I'll teach you a different way of making videos that no one else has shown you yet. Please note, in this video, I'll be giving you a surprise that will help you speed up your work by 100 times. So don't skip the video and make sure to watch until the end. Without further ado, let's get started. To make a children's story video, you'll need 3 things: a story, animated videos, and good quality voiceovers. Then, we'll combine these and proceed with video editing, all right? Let's start by getting the story from Chat GPT. Just go to Chat GPT and ask it, write a short moral story about a lion and a boy for a YouTube video. As soon as you enter that, Chat GPT will provide us with the story. Copy it and save it. Okay, now ask to Chat GPT again, can you give me some more video ideas like this? As soon as you enter, it'll give you more video ideas to work on. Now that we have a story, the next step is crucial, so pay close attention to the video, all right? So now we need to generate images for each scene of the story to create the video. I've got 3 methods for image and video generation. The first one is to generate images with Midjourney and Leonardo AI. Midjourney is highly recommended because it provides ultra high quality images. However, Midjourney isn't free anymore. If possible, I would suggest subscribing to it. It will be useful not only for making this video, but also for many other tasks. On the other hand, Leonardo AI is a free tool that you can use. Go to appleonardo.ai. From there, navigate to AI image generation and choose the style you want for your images. You'll need to select the 3D animation style. Okay, now for each scene, you'll also need a prompt. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it, can you give me a Midjourney prompt for each scene so that I can generate images? As soon as you enter that, ChatGPT will provide you with prompts. But I didn't like this prompt that much because ChatGPT isn't an image generator like Midjourney. Relying too much on its prompts might not be the best approach. So in this case, you can use these 600 children's story prompts, which can save you a lot of time. These prompts are designed especially for those looking to create children's storybooks or story videos quickly. In this set, you'll get 300 ChatGPT children's story prompts and 300 Midjourney prompts. Using these, you can easily get stories written by ChatGPT and generate super high-quality images from Midjourney or Leonardo. If you want to save time and get top-notch results, go for it. I've included the link in the description for you to check out. Now, let's get back to our topic. For generating images, I'll directly copy and paste sentences into Leonardo AI. You can add some more details in the prompt like 4K, HD, colorful, realistic, animated style, etc. I'll also change the aspect ratio and set the number of images. Just click on Generate. You'll see the images have been generated. You can use these all 4 images and download all of them from here. And continue generating images. Remember, generate images only related to the story. The more images you have, the better your video will turn out. Okay, so this is the first method of generating the image. The second method involves using Runway ML to generate videos from text or images. Runway ML can convert your image into a video and also turn text into a video. Let me walk you through it. Firstly, you'll need to go to app.runwayml.com. I'll include the link in the description below. Once there, navigate to the text and image to video option. Here, you'll find 3 options: text, image, and image plus description. If you want to convert text to a video, choose the first option. Then input the text prompt. Let me copy and paste a prompt here. Click on camera motion. Here you can add motion to the video, such as horizontal, pan, roll, vertical, or zoom. Here you can also preview how the motion will appear in the video. It's a pretty cool feature. I'd suggest trying different motions in different videos for more engaging content. For example, use horizontal motion in one video and vertical motion in another. All right? For now, let's choose horizontal motion. Then, you'll see an add style option. Click on that, and you'll see various styles. Choose 3D cartoon and hit the Generate button. Generating the image might take up to a minute. Okay, the video has been generated. Let's play it. Wow, that sounds incredibly powerful. We have created quite an impressive video. You can download this video from here. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you later how you can remove the watermark from this video and how to extend its length. So pay close attention to the video. This way, you can generate videos from text. Additionally, within this feature, you also have the option to convert images into videos. Just click here on the image, upload your image, and I'll add video motion as well. Then, click Generate, and you'll see our video has been generated. Remember, the better the quality of the image, the better the video will turn out. So try to use these high-quality prompts. I'm sure they'll be helpful for you, okay? So guys, this is how you can generate videos from images as well. My suggestion would be to try both methods. I hope you've understood everything well now. Now, as we have to create the second scene, so I will try Runway ML. I copied the prompt directly from Chat GPT and pasted it into Runway ML. As you can see, the video has been generated, but I didn't find it that good. That's why I'll go to Leonardo AI to generate an image. And I found a good image in Leonardo, so I'll use that. I downloaded it and went back to Runway ML to upload it. I'll write some prompts here to get a better result and hit generate. So your video has been generated. All right, this was the second method. Let's quickly move on to the third method. In this method, you can use Pika Labs. It's similar to Runway ML. Just join their Discord server. Choose any server here, type /, then click here, upload the image from here, and you can add prompts separately here for better results. Then press enter. Within a second, it'll generate the video for you, and the video turned out quite good. I'll download it from here. So you can also generate videos using this method. Okay, fantastic. Just put a comment and let me know which option you liked better. So guys, we've generated images and videos. Now we need to do a voiceover. If you can do it yourself, that's great. If you can't do the voiceover yourself, you can use 11 Labs. The link is in the description. Just go to 11 Labs, navigate to the voice library, look for a voice that's deep and suits storytelling. After spending a lot of time, I found a good voice. Just listen to it.
Once upon a time, in the heart of a vast jungle, lived a mighty lion named Leo.
I think it's perfect. By the way, you can use any voice. This is good for me. So I have used it. I'll quickly add this voice in the voice lab, okay? Now go to the voice lab and click on use voice. Now go to Chat GPT, copy the story and paste it here and click the generate button. Your voice will be generated and you can download it from here. So guys, our story is ready. Images and videos are also ready. And the voiceover is done. Now we need to combine all of these and edit the video. For video editing, you can use any software. If you're making a video on your phone, you can use KineMaster. If you're using a laptop, CapCut or Premiere Pro is good. Currently, I'm using CapCut. Just open CapCut and import all your media files like images, videos, and voiceovers. Okay? Now, listen carefully to the voiceover and add the image or video clip where the scene demands it. You can use images too. It's not necessary to use only videos. You can add images between videos as well. But remember, you'll need to add animation to each image. Do not keep the video stable. Just go to the combo and choose the pan left animation. Use animation in this way for each image, okay? But you might see a watermark in your videos. How to remove it? You can remove the watermark using two methods. The first method is to scale the clip just like this and fit it on the screen size. Okay, that's how you can remove the watermark. For the second method, you can use this website where you can remove watermarks from videos. You'll need to create a free account and upload the video. Then use brush to draw over the watermark and click on Remove Object Now. In just a few seconds, the watermark will be removed from the video and you can download it. All right? If you want to increase the length of the video, select the video, go to speed, and you can increase the duration from here. Fantastic. So guys, after this, you need to go to filters and apply this particular filter throughout the video. Now, our video looks more colorful and clear. So in this way, you'll have to edit the video clips and sync them well with the voice. All right? The video is ready, but something is missing. Yes, background music. Without background music, your video might seem quite boring. If you're not sure about the type of music and sound effects to use, just ask Chat GPT, please give me some music and sound effects ideas for this video. Chat GPT will provide you with some good ideas. Now you can easily use such music and sound effects. All right, let me quickly add a piece of background music here. You can also change the music according to each scene. Then, to make the video engaging, I've used some sound effects like the roar of a lion, birds chirping, and so on. Another missing thing, which is caption. For captions, you need to go to text and then go to auto captions. Click on generate. Wow, our captions have been added. I'll keep the first 2 seconds silent, only letting the background music play, and then I'll start the voiceover. I also added birds chirping background sound, so you need to complete the entire process in this way and then export the video. Let's see how the video turns out.
Once upon a time, in the heart of a vast jungle, lived a mighty lion named Leo. He was known for his strength and courage, yet he felt a deep sense of loneliness. One day, as Leo roamed the jungle, he stumbled upon a young boy named Sam. Sam was lost and frightened, having wandered far from his village. At first, Leo growled and showed his sharp teeth, making Sam tremble in fear. But instead of attacking, Leo softened his gaze and asked the boy what had brought him to the jungle.
The video is well made. You can create an even better video with more creativity. That was the entire video. I hope you understood. If yes, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the video where I've taught you to create a viral money-making short video. Thank you.